How to use Valentine's effects. Stickers on Instagram, Valentine's Day filters. Instagram has various filters, some of which are designed specifically for Valentine's Day. To use them, open Instagram and swipe to the story camera. Swipe left or right on your screen to browse through filters. You can search for Valentine's theme filters by tapping on the magnifying glass icon, then search for Valentine or Love. Explore the available filters such as heart effects, pink or red hues, and romantic animations to give your content a Valentine's vibe. Using stickers and GIFs, when posting on your story, swipe up to open the sticker menu. Search for Valentine's Day related stickers like hearts, roses, and love quotes. You can also use animated GIFs in your story with Valentine's Day themes by tapping on the GIF sticker and searching for terms like Valentine, Love, Heart, or Cupid. Reels with Valentine's themes. You can find or create Valentine's Day themed music on Instagram Reels. Add effects like hearts, sparkles, or other festive visuals to make your video more aligned with the occasion. These simple steps can help you set the perfect mood and share the love with your followers on Valentine's Day.